Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.58 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. Similar to electron diffraction, neutron diffraction microscope is used for the determination of the structure of molecules. If the wavelength used here is 800 picometer, calculate the characteristic velocity associated with the neutrons. So friends, here given value is the wavelength, which is denoted by lambda. Its value is given 800 picometer, which we can convert into meter. So it will be 800 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Correct? Because 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Now, we can write this again further 8 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, because decimal will be supposed to shift 2 step leftward. So plus 2 is added, minus 12 plus 2, it becomes minus 10. So now we have a wavelength and we need to calculate the velocity of the neutron. Here we have a formula having relationship between the wavelength and the velocity, which is lambda is equal to h upon mv, where lambda is a wavelength, h is a Planck's constant, m is a mass and v is the velocity. From this equation we can write velocity is equal to h upon m into lambda. So if we put the values here, we can find the answer. Here m is the mass and in this case we will calculate the mass of the neutron. So first you should know mass of the neutron is equal to 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. We need to put these values. Now h is a Planck's constant, value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, upon mass of the neutron, which is 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg into wavelength 8 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Now, doing the calculation, we will get the value here, which is 4.95 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second, which is the velocity here. So friends, it's here the answer. Very easily we got the answer. Calculation I already taught you in the previous questions how to calculate. So if you have any problem, go through that videos, or else you can write in comment section. I will help you. Till then, thank you. Keep watching the videos.